Welcome back to She Stacks. So today we're going to do a little unboxing. So we got a little package from APMEX the other day, and I know what's supposed to be in this box, but until it's open, there's always a chance of a surprise. So let's open this. APMEX always seems to package their things very good. I'm going to remove all the identification stuff first, and then I'll show you what I got. So here it is, 1902S, San Francisco. Yeah, I think it's funny because in 1902, San Francisco was still riding the legacy of the California Gold Rush. And this coin contains almost a full ounce of gold. And here's the crazy part. When this coin was minted, Theodore Roosevelt was not even president yet. And the Federal Reserve didn't exist. And airplanes weren't even carrying passengers. And the Titanic hadn't been built. And this coin survived the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, 2 world wars, 2 Great Depressions, and the end of the gold standard, and the rise of the internet, and now the artificial intelligence. Yet it's still here. The gold is still gold. Which brings me to my thumbnail saying that it's bargain gold, and it really was, because I paid under spot for it, and the reason was because it was considered a cull coin or a clean coin, and to me gold is gold. And my favorite part about this coin is that it was not made for collectors. It was made to be money, real money. More than 120 years later, people are still buying it, selling it, collecting it, and stacking it. And that's what makes Pre-33 so special to me. You're not just holding gold. You're holding a piece of American history. If you enjoy gold, silver, and real money, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next Wednesday with another unboxing. Bye, guys.